This estate is, I call it home. It's love, it's enjoyment, it's diversity. And I say diversity in the sense of I've learned from every group of people, black, white, Asian, religions, any social background. And there's just there's a love, but people don't understand. But you have to live here to see it, you know? You have to live here to see it. This estate is everything to me. It's taught me who I am today, and that's from this community, that's from this estate, that's from Broadwater Farm.
Hey, my name is Manoya. I'm part of the Lost Blocks Collective.
Hi, my name is Elias. I am the creative producer of Lost Blocks Collective.
And we're here setting up for the exhibition. I'm in charge of the poetry room.
We are currently running an exhibition event that's celebrating the history and hopeful kind of future of Broadwater Farm Estate, kind of following the theme of past, present and future, and what that would look like for the people of Broadwater Farm.
We're displaying poems written by young people who have taken part in the creative workshops from Broadwater Farm. Hi everyone, I'm Adonai. I'm a project lead with Beyond the Books.
I'm Suli, I'm part of the Lost Blocks Collective.
And I'm here today to help basically build up this exhibition for Friday.
The whole point of the collective is to change the narrative around Broadwater Farm. Broadwater Farm is a beautiful place, the community here is beautiful. Like, it brings young kids that can come and take part in workshops and networking events, and things like this are needed within the community, and I think it's amazing what we're doing.
Yeah, so I'm completely new to the estate. I only started working on this project in October, and it's been one of the best experiences ever. And it's been a really nice opportunity to learn so much about like this tiny little estate. It's not even a tiny estate, but this tiny portion of London that is so significant to like the whole cultural landscape of the city.
Please welcome Giovanni.
Picture a city full of lost boys and lost blocks who've lost friends to gunshots. We step over shelves at the seaside. We step over shelves at the corner shop.
Hi, my name is Chanel Farrell. I'm from Harrogate Council. We're funded a part of the exhibition or the overall programme for the Lost Blocks Collective, and it's been amazing to see the collective develop over the last 8 months of the programme.
I'm a Broadwater farmer, and I'm just outside the Opportunities building where I've just been to an amazing exhibition. Really everything I could have wished from an exhibition.
I really like the exhibition, the different shades and different rooms expressing different feelings about the experience of living in Broadwater Farm.
The words around the walls, the poetry, the history, was just inspiration and what lifted me.
This is a new beginning and something which will inform and enlighten and educate me and change the future.
I'm just another lost boy in these lost blocks, avoiding the hot spots, looking over my shoulder whilst I play hopscotch, because I've got a target on my back, but this target isn't red, it's black. Okay, that's
When you look at an area like Broadwater Farm Estate, a lot is needed, and as we go through more changes, there is a need for youth voice and kind of more youth practice. So for us, this like LBC City in the Sky event is that first major step to actually creating a new future where young people are more involved. It feels great that we've been able to host this event, and hopefully in due time we can do so much more.